Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Exam Study Zone. In today's topic, which I am going to discuss, that is webcam. So watch this video till the end, and so many videos I have uploaded. If you have not seen these videos, then definitely watch it. Videos link is in the description box of this video, so don't forget to watch these videos. Let's get started. So friends, what is a webcam? A webcam is an input device. It captures video and audio from the environment it is pointed at or from the user in front of it, and sends this data to the computer. The computer can then process and display the video and audio, making it an input source for applications like video conferencing, live streaming, or recording. A webcam is a small video camera that is typically built into or connected to a computer, laptop, or other device. It is used to capture video and in some cases audio, allowing for real-time communication and video recording. Webcams are commonly used for activities such as video conferencing, live streaming, online chatting, and recording videos. They are widely used for virtual meetings, online education, gaming, and various other applications that require video input. So a webcam is a digital camera device designed for capturing video and sometimes audio and transmitting it in real time over a computer network or the internet. Webcams are typically used for various communication and multimedia purposes, including video conferencing, online chatting, live streaming, and video recording. Key characteristics of webcams include: first one is video capture. Webcams are primarily used to capture video of the environment or the user in front of the camera. Second one is audio capture. Many webcams also feature built-in microphones to capture audio simultaneously with video. Third one is real-time transmission. Webcams transmit the captured video and audio data in real time to the computer, which can then be used for various applications. Fourth one is video conferencing. Webcams are commonly used for video conferencing, allowing individuals and groups to have face-to-face virtual meetings. Fifth one is live streaming. They are used by content creators for live streaming on platforms like YouTube and social media. Sixth one is video recording. Users can record videos for various purposes such as vlogging, video messages, or capturing special moments. Webcams can be built into laptops, tablets, and some desktop monitors. They can also be external devices that connected to a computer via USB or other connections. Webcams have become particularly important for remote work, online education, and keeping in touch with friends and family, especially during times when physical meetings are not possible. So friends, that's for all today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching and have a good day.